Welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing and product review is on the Mayour Espere Liquid Chrome Collection purchased from Zillabeau.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes.
I will also create a nail set using this product and nail art accessories from the Spring Daily Charmbox Spring Collection, which was reviewed on a previous video. Links to products used in today's video will be listed in the description box. Just a quick mention, I checked on Zillabeau's site and currently this product is out of stock. I would recommend checking periodically for availability if you are interested in purchasing this product. This collection includes 6 iridescent duo chrome colors, 1 acrylic swatch chart, and 1 themed packaging for display. Each of the individual liquid chromes are shimmery and pigmented. I love them all, but my favorite was the purple. Directions are not provided in the packaging, but can be found on the Zillabeau site with an attached YouTube tutorial. There are 5 steps for application. Step 1, apply a non-white top coat and cure. Step 2, choose the liquid chrome color and be sure to shake the bottle well to mix pigment or it will settle to the bottom of the container. Step 3, use the brush applicator to apply a few drops in the center of the nail. Step 4, use your finger to rub formula all over the nail. And lastly, step 5, seal with a non-white top coat and cure. Let's take this moment to sit back, relax, and watch the video as I create my nail set.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. As my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and confidence. When I got a little roll like hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got who can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you tell me what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down. We keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, jam, jam. like pom pom pom. Roll back then rotation, figure it's then just season. Shine bright, it's that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every time. Can't you, can't you? Can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, can't you? Can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every time. Shining like your ice in every time. Bum, 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 bum.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure. 'Cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. If we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried. If we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. We can do it better, baby, I believe. I believe. Even if I try and try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try so hard, tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah.
Hope you enjoyed the video as much as I had making it. Please leave any recommendations or suggestions for nail sets you would like for me to create. I do read the comments often. Thank you to all my subscribers for supporting my channel and following me on this journey. And remember, please hit subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you on the next video.